Here's what the AI real estate revolution, this is my favorite slide from the coaching that we do, guys. Here's what the AI real estate revolution is going to be able to do for you. You will either create massive amounts of content, massive amounts of marketing, massive amounts of branding, massive amounts of lead gen, or watch somebody else do it. You will either be a creator or a watcher. Which one are you going to be? Or I like to say creator or hater, because that's what you'll turn into if you watch enough people do it. Differentiate or die. How will you differentiate yourself using the AI? Differentiate yourself from every other agent, or die watching people do it. Asset or liability. Will these tools that I went over today be an asset for your business, or be a liability because other people are using it? And here's my favorite one right here. Take over, operation takeover, or stay the same. This AI real estate revolution, guys, there will be agents who absolutely take over mind share in your marketplace, that use these tools and take over their marketing. A solo agent can outmarket the biggest teams. Or will you stay the same and hope for the best, right? Option one, guys, do it yourself. You guys can use these tools that we talked about. Or option two, I'm going to show you how we can do it together. Guys, do it yourself. You guys take the tools we learned here today and you practice to do it yourself. Another option that comes with this, you guys can go get generic AI courses that aren't specific to real estate and try and figure out how to do it for real estate. Rely on the free tools and just experimenting on your own time. Or settle for unproven new kid on the block syndrome. Somebody just trying to make it out there. Guys, the do-it-yourself methods have hidden costs, risks, and side effects. You have wasted time trying to figure things out yourself. Fall down the rabbit hole, spending hours trying to figure these things out. It can be complex, and it's damn near a full-time job trying to figure out how to do AI and how to do it for your real estate business. The human constraint, guys, you only have so much time in a day. I mean, if I asked you guys before all this AI, how much time do you guys have to spare as real estate agents? You probably tell me I already need more time in the day. Now you factor in trying to figure out AI on yourself, that trial and error. And then it's the emotional tug of war that comes with adopting new technology. Guys, with AI, I'm sure you're excited about it. Like, oh my gosh, AI is here. I'm excited. But then follows the anxiety of, holy shit, I got to figure out something new. I was already trying to figure out other things before this. There's the anxiety of that. And then there's hope. Man, there's an AI real estate revolution. I'm going to be like the hope that you'll be able to get to that next step and be that early adopter. And the fear of like, man, I might miss out on this. Like the fear of the anxiety keeping you up at night. The fear of, I don't want to miss this next wave. Thrill of potential success. Guys, with AI, the potential is limitless with how much you can do. And then the worry of failure. Like, man, I want to try this, but what happens if I fail? Here's what you guys need. Complete and proven system. Great example. If you guys want to be a doctor, you don't just go buy books and become a doctor. It's not do it yourself and become a doctor. You don't just go home and watch YouTube and become a doctor. You need to follow a system from a college, from a place that knows what to do and pass exams. This is why we created the world's very first AI certified agent. You get to transform into an AI certified agent. Spend less time at your desk and more time actually being a real estate agent.